Hi, today we are going to make circuit voltage regulator LM7805. Okay. All right. So for which we're gonna need this. Let me try to focus. Okay. So you cannot read the IC number properly. Take some heatsink paste over and clean it. Should be now able to see the number and everything properly. L7805 CV, so it's a voltage regulator. Then we need a capacitor. I'm taking 16 volt 470 mF, and I'm taking 100 volt, 10 volt 100 mF, and then we are taking a diode IN. It will be again yes, this is IN4007 diode. Okay, these are the basic components, and using this breadboard, whenever we use this voltage regulator, we always need some heat sink. Okay, I'm using this aluminum heat sink. All right, let's build the circuit. First of all, let us take the voltage regulator. Okay, it has got 3 legs. 1, 2 and 3. Yeah, let me take this bit longer. So first, always you have input, right? This will be connected here. So this is control volt input, DC 12 volt. Okay, this is DC, maybe from battery or from an adapter, whatever. 12 volt 7805, and here we are having the output. This is ground, this is input again, this is output. What will be the output we are expecting here is 5 volt DC current. Okay, and now the circuit needs a diode. This is where we're gonna have IN4007 will be fixed, and we are also going to attach a capacitor. As we have seen here, we are taking 16 volt 470 enough. Then here we are going to add a capacitor, that's going to be 10 volt 100 mF. Okay, so let's build this circuit. Okay, board is ready. Let's take the soldering paste and apply all over. so as to have the soldering easy. Right, let me take some more and apply. Once this is done, keep the soldering machine on, and yeah, the video may go a bit longer, kindly bear with. Solder needs to be getting hot. Okay, it's hot now. Okay, now this is done. One is fixed. Let us add the diode. So this is input pin. So let's take this diode. See, wherever you find the line, this shows the negative end and this is positive. Whenever you say diode, it has got definite terminals, positive and negative. So this has to be connected here. Okay, I'm going to take the other one which has already okay, this is pulled. Okay, the diode is fixed now. Let's fix the capacitor. Like so. Okay, and this is input. Let's fix the output capacitor. Alright, slight connection is to be done. Adding input voltage terminal plus added. Make it very strong. Okay. connect the negative. Sorry, I went out of focus for a while. Okay, so input, finally this is input voltage, this is going to be output connection, and we always need heatsink. So apply some heatsink paste, cover it, we take our heatsink, properly align it. Okay, our heatsink is ready. Here we go with, let me take the voltage from this, it's 12. Now let's check the input voltage, it's 11.9, and let's check the output voltage. Or simply here, this negative, this is 5 volt. Okay, so input is 12, output is 5 volt. So as we have a heatsink, the IC is so going good, no issues. Thank you for watching.